This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics for CUET full guide. Start by outlining a clear weekly routine that assigns time blocks for reading, solving numerical problems, and revising past notes. Choose 3 main topics per day and rotate them. Track progress with a simple checklist and adjust study duration based on focus and retention. Include short quizzes every weekend to identify weak areas and reinforce understanding. Pick resources carefully and keep them limited to avoid overwhelm. Choose a primary textbook, short revision notes, and a trusted video series to clarify tricky parts. Incorporate past papers and timed mocks to learn question patterns and pacing. Create a small formula sheet and a quick glossary for economic terms. Consistently update your notes after each mock and focus extra time on weaker sections until you feel confident and consistent. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more content and keep the channel growing. On another note, quick recommendation. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh car ride between study sessions. It makes study trips nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Now let's get back to the video. Practice actively by solving questions and timing yourself, then review mistakes in detail to prevent repetition. Teach concepts aloud or to a study partner to cement understanding. Use flashcards for key formulas, graphs, and definitions during spare moments. Recreate important diagrams and practice labeling axes and curves accurately. Mix conceptual questions with numerical problems each study session to balance skills and reduce exam anxiety, while steadily improving accuracy and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.